I'm slick scared of these, y'all. I don't know. I thought it would be nice. Well, not as an adult. I haven't cooked these like live. Listen to that noise. It's so freaking
Okay.
I'm gonna let her grab him and put him in the water. I don't.
Okay.
I don't know how to. I don't know how to cook these at all.
Okay.
I don't even want to cook them. Now I've lost my appetite. I don't even want to do this.
Okay. What if you bite me?
Put that motherfucker in that hot ass water. I'm so afraid. I don't even want these no more. I mean, I don't know. I don't know what I was thinking.
So I could just grab his ass by the leg, maybe?
Yeah. No, just grab him. Get him. Just pick him up by the belly. I mean, by that, like, his body. I'm very afraid.
Me too.
I don't know why. I don't know why Dad couldn't do this for us.
Oh, Lord Jesus, help me.
Ah.
I'm trying to, like, flick him. Because you...
Don't put it everywhere.
Jesus, no. Get this and just put him in there. Papa, we already moved.
Y'all too scary.
Dang, you ain't get there for it. That was funny.
And when you hop in that damn water, your ass gone. That's a girl. That's a girl in place.
You ain't gonna be able to get that many in there because I'm so stupid. I didn't know how to.
I
thought you was about it, Dad. I thought you had it.
You can press them on the back.
I told you to use this.
I ain't gonna do it.
Papa, use this. Then you got it.
Yeah, motherfucker. If you come out that motherfucker, you can hop. I need two. I got clean it. For some time.
Papa, we're trying to tell you to use this.
No.
You done stuck your whole hand down in there. What's
Why not just pick one of them up and throw them in there?
because they
I
go
thought-
his ass.
You do it. Get in there. Oh!
He in there?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, it's kind of sad.
It is. I ain't gonna lie. I won't do this again. But we done did it this time. So.
Oh!
It got you?
Yeah, that bitch got me.
Hurry up and wash your hands. I don't know what they got. All in the bottom of the ocean and shit.
Yeah, they don't take time to live no more. I don't fuck with it.
You don't?
Amen.
Shit, it's too much going on.
For real, because he was so better off.
Oh, yeah, you might well turn loose, bitch. That's your ass. That's your ass. Oh,
Her hand was on the thing.
get your goddamn
On the
bitch.
tongue.
Dad.
Stupid motherfucking crab cooker. You see, stupid motherfucker got your ass. You shouldn't have brought your ass on over here, motherfucker.
Oh, Dad, I'm not stupid because I don't know how to cook blue crabs.
Well, you talking about the crab.
No, he said,
He
he
said,
was talking about us. He
both
said,
y'all-
you stupid motherfuckers, you see stupid motherfuckers bought your ass. He was talking about us.
Yeah, you motherfucker brought your ass here. You should have jumped back, baby, jump back. Jump back, baby, jump back. Yeah, y'all locked up. Y'all gonna go in there just like that. Y'all that crowd like to hang on, motherfucker. Hang on, motherfucker. Hang on, motherfucker. Hang on. Hang on,
Oh,
motherfucker.
God, he coming out. Oh, that one getting that. That one's
He
strong.
ain't going nowhere. He too. You too. Don't agree with me, bitch. Bitch. Hang on. They said crab or grab a motherfucker, pull him back.
Yeah.
And then you pull your ass on. Yeah, nigga.
That's
Yeah,
sad.
nigga.
We
You
can't
too.
do this no
Turn-
more. We can't do this no more. I didn't know that it was.
You need to put some
I remember you used to go crabbing when I was real
You
little.
put some red pepper. Oh, you need to put more seasoning in them motherfuckers.
Yeah.
Mhm.
I mean, I ain't gonna lie. I didn't think it was gonna be that
Okay,
traumatizing.
check that. Boy.
This the boy. This one the boy.
Let me see. Let me see.
Point them. Point them out for me. Here, use this. This. Use what you was using.
Okay. Boy. Boy.
Okay.
Alright.
Mm-hmm.
Girl. Girl.
Okay.
There you go.
Pretty cool. And so what we eat that body part of
I
it?
ain't got shit to do with it. People talking about they got part of it. I see motherfuckers, they eat every salt every dog
Well,
First thing we do, it's on ice.
nothing
we
really
kill 'em
turned
humanely,
out
right
really
to the head,
right.
so that they're not suffering
We
or
did,
anything.
you
That's
know,
how we like
eat them
to
or
do.
whatever, just to keep them from going to
And
waste.
then
But
you stick
I
your
didn't
butter
season
knife
them
in,
right.
and
I
you
didn't
wanna
know what I
pry
was
the
doing.
bottom
Matter of fact, I
off from
didn't
the top.
clean them. I didn't even clean them. I didn't know. I don't know. It's just way too much. I won't do that again. I'm gonna stick to
Just like
the
that. Open up like a
buying
clamshell.
the snow
You can
crab
see the
legs.
gills right here.
But this is how you
And,
clean
and
them.
then all the
So
stuff you
now
want
I
to clean
do
out.
know. Now I do know. Well, yeah. This is how you clean them. This is how you clean
All
them.
that stuff. We actually spray the gills right off as well.
I don't know. Well, I eat dirty crab, dirty live crabs. I ate them. They were dead when I ate them, but I didn't clean them. So yeah, this is how you clean them. This is how you can watch him cleaning them. You can go watch his video. I don't know what it is, but yeah.
There you go. There's your nice 2 pieces of
So I guess
clean
shout
blue
out to
crab.
ChrisFix. How to clean a blue claw crab.
Blue crab. Again, kill it. Right down.
Aw, man. So this is how you kill them, too.
And you stick it in, you want to pry it. Just like a clam.
I don't know.
There we go.